Unbelievable but true. A collection of fascinating facts. The world is full of astonishing facts that defy common knowledge. Some of them seem almost too strange to believe, yet they are backed by science and history. From nature's peculiarities to historical oddities, here are some mind-blowing but true facts that will leave you amazed. The Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer, one of the most famous landmarks in the world. The Eiffel Tower is not a fixed structure in terms of height. Due to the iron structure's natural reaction to heat, the tower expands in summer and can grow taller by up to 15 centimeters 6 inches. This phenomenon, known as thermal expansion, occurs when metal heats up and expands. Conversely, in winter, the iron contracts, making the tower slightly shorter. Koalas have human-like fingerprints. Koalas are known for their cuddly appearance and eucalyptus diet. But did you know that they have fingerprints almost identical to humans? Even under a microscope, it is difficult to distinguish koala fingerprints from those of a human. This remarkable similarity has even led to speculation that koala fingerprints could confuse forensic investigations. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes. Wars often drag on for years, but the Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896 holds the record for being the shortest war. It lasted only 38 to 45 minutes. The conflict arose after the Sultan of Zanzibar refused to comply with British demands. The British launched a naval bombardment, quickly overwhelming the Sultan's forces, leading to an almost immediate. Scotland's national animal is a unicorn. Scotland is known for its rich folklore, but few people realize that its national animal is a unicorn. This mythical creature was chosen because it symbolizes purity, innocence, chivalry, and pride. The unicorn has been a part of Scottish heraldry for centuries and represents strength and freedom, making it a fitting emblem for a fiercely independent nation. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. Pineapples may be a delicious and refreshing fruit, but growing one requires patience. A pineapple plant grown from its crown takes about 2 years to mature and produce fruit. The plant first develops into a leafy shrub before eventually flowering and bearing fruit. This long growth cycle explains why pineapples can be more expensive than other fruits. A blue whale's heart is as big as a car. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, has a heart that can weigh over 400 pounds 181 kg and is as big as a small car. Its heartbeat can be heard from 2 miles away, and the aorta, the main artery, is so large that a human could crawl through it. Despite its enormous size, a blue whale's heart beats only 8 to 10 times per minute while diving, helping it conserve oxygen. Avocados are fruits, not vegetables, but being commonly used in salads and savory dishes. Avocados are classified as fruits, not vegetables. Botanically, they are a type of berry with a single large seed. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a superfood with multiple health benefits. Niagara Falls never completely freezes. Niagara Falls appears frozen in winter. It never completely stops flowing. The sheer volume of water over 3,000 tons per second prevents it from freezing solid. However, ice formations around the falls can create a spectacular illusion of a frozen waterfall. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are among the most intelligent marine creatures, but did you know they have 3 hearts? Two of these pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, when an octopus swims, the heart that supplies blood to the body actually stops beating, which is why these creatures prefer crawling over swimming. Ants don't have lungs unlike mammals. Ants do not have lungs. Instead, they breathe through tiny holes called spiracles, located along their bodies. Oxygen enters through these holes and diffuses directly into their cells. This unique respiratory system allows ants to survive in underground tunnels in small spaces where larger animals would struggle for air. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not botanically speaking. Bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries are not. A true berry must develop from a single ovary and contain seeds inside the flesh. Bananas fit this definition, but strawberries do not because their seeds are on the outside, making them an aggregate fruit rather than a true berry. Dolphins give each other names. Dolphins are incredibly social and intelligent creatures. Research has shown that they use distinct whistles to identify and call each other by name. Each dolphin has its own unique whistle that functions like a personal identifier, much like human names. This ability helps them recognize family members and maintain complex social bonds. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey has natural preservatives like low moisture content and high acidity, which prevent bacteria from growing. As long as it is sealed properly, honey can last indefinitely. Ketchup originated in China over 2,000 years ago. Many people associate ketchup with American fast food, but its origins date back to China over 2,000 years ago. The original form of ketchup, called kisayap, was a fermented fish sauce. Over time, it was adapted by Europeans, who modified the recipe by adding tomatoes, sugar, and vinegar, creating the modern ketchup we know today. Pigs don't sweat. Phrase sweating like a pig is misleading because pigs actually don't have sweat glands. Instead of sweating, pigs cool themselves by rolling in mud. The mud helps to regulate their body temperature and also protects them from sunburn and insect bites. Final thoughts: these incredible facts prove that the world is full of surprises. From the bizarre habits of animals to the unexpected truths behind historical events, reality is often stranger than fiction. Next time you hear an unbelievable fact, take a moment to look it up. It might just be true.